Hey guys. Hold on. I need some coffee. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Kylie 22nd birthday collection. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for being here. I upload every Monday and Thursday. I do mostly cruelty-free makeup reviews here on this channel. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from the collection. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway in this video, so make sure you watch till the end of the video so that I can let you guys know the rules for this giveaway. So one of the products is the Kylie lip kit that she released with her birthday collection, which is in the shade Kylie. She already had released this before, but in the matte formula, and for her 22nd birthday collection, she released the velvet formula. I'm actually going to be giving away this velvet liquid lip kit because I already own the matte lip kit, which I am wearing right now. So this is how it looks, and I love this lip kit. I love these colors. So make sure you watch till the end so I can let you guys know the rules on how you can win this lip kit. So she had different bundles on her website. One of the bundles was called the Kylie's Birthday Trip Glam. So the Birthday Trip Glam came with the You're So Money baby palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Also the high gloss from the collection, and also her new liquid eyeliner. So this is a new eyeliner that she released, which I really wanted to try it out. So that's the reason too why I purchased that bundle. The bundle is sold out right now, but she might restock it, and some of the products are sold out as well, but the eyeshadow palette is still available. I also purchased her new jelly highlighter. I think this is a new formula. These are like jelly highlighters, and I got the shade 22 carats. So yeah, I'm like excited to try out these products. She did include this little birthday card in the card, and it just has a note about her 22nd birthday, you know, saying thank you. So first of all, the packaging on this collection is so freaking cute. I know for some people it can be a little bit much and a little bit like obnoxious. I don't mind it. I think it's really cute. I love the colors with the lime green, the hot pink, and then the glitter. The glitter on the packaging is messy though, because it does come off and then it gets on the rest of the packaging. The eyeshadow palette is $48. It comes with 16 shades, and also on the website, if you purchase the palette, you can get $10 off a shimmer eye glaze. So that's pretty good because the eye glazes are $20. You can get it for $10, and I do really like her eye glazes from her summer collection. I did do a review on her summer collection, so if you want to check that out, it's on my channel, so I'll put a card up here if you guys want to check that out. So this is the eyeshadow palette. On the back it has the name of the eyeshadows. Let me go ahead and open it up, and oh my god, you guys, these look so good. I tried my best to get a video with my iPhone because then you guys can really see the shades in this palette, and the packaging, it's so freaking cute. I really love the money that's right here in the mirror. It's like such a freaking vibe. The dollar signs pressed into the shadows as well. You got matte shades, shimmer shades, and glitter shades in this palette. Oh my god, you guys, Goal Setter and Time for Cake are calling my name, and 22 Candles, Birthday Queen, those look so good. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these out. If I can, I always try to do swatches outside in natural lighting when it's sunny. So these are the swatches of the eyeshadow palette. Of course, the names of the shadows go with the whole theme. Time is Money, Birthday Queen, Stacks, 100, On a Budget, Bands, 22, Goal Setter, Lung Money, Work for It, Blue Faces, Ballin Bay, 22 Candles, Build Your Empire, Time for Cake, and Breaking Records. The only thing that I am going to say though about the palette is that the glitter is on the packaging as well, and it does fall off, so that gets kind of messy. Alright, so with the Sigma E40 brush, I'm going to go in with this shade Blue Faces, which is like a matte brown. There is definitely fallout, I can already tell. Ooh, this is a really good shade. That's a really good transition shade. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. Haven't done one of those in a really long time. Okay, this shade is blending out really, really good. It is a matte. I actually was not gonna purchase the palette because it is a little pricey, $48, but you do get 16 shades and a lot of the colors look really unique and different. So I ended up saving some money buying the bundle, which if she does restock the bundle, I would suggest to buy the bundle, but also you can get an eye glaze when you purchase the palette. So I think that's also a pretty good deal. I'm gonna grab this lighter pink shade. It's called On a Budget, and just like blend out the edges of that first shade that I put on. Okay, so I feel like that looks pretty good. To deepen up the crease, I'm gonna go in with the shade Bands. Bands is a matte chocolate brown. So I'm gonna apply that right into the crease. Oh my god, my brush is wet. No! Crisis averted, you guys. Crisis averted. I had put my brush in the color switch and I had just washed it, and I guess it's still a little wet. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a clean brush and then just blend out those shades. Okay, I applied some powder under my eyes to catch any fallout. I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. It's called Long Money. This is a pink matte, and I'm gonna apply that one also in my crease and on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. Ooh, I like this shade. All right, so I'm gonna apply concealer right here in the middle to apply a shimmer. Okay, now I can put this brush in here. It'll get it a little wet because I'm gonna go in with a shimmer. So I am gonna get the shade 100, which is right here, which is kind of like a lime shimmery green. And I'm gonna apply that one down first. So it's like a really subtle lime green shade. So if you're like too scared to use Time for Cake, you can go in with 100. And then what I'm gonna do is apply a really shimmery lime green shade, which is Time for Cake. It's actually a metallic chartreuse green. It has like a gold undertone. So with the more glittery shades, I'm gonna go in with a really bright green in here with my finger. And you can definitely feel the glitter on this shade. It's like a little bit more chunky, but I feel like the shade is so bomb. So I'm gonna apply it right on top of that green. Ooh, that is pretty. Hopefully you guys are able to see, but this is so pretty. Definitely has more fallout because it has some glitter and it's getting on top of my lid as well, so it's kind of hard to apply. Wow, guys, this green shade is bomb. Wipe away that glitter. I'm gonna press it in more because I don't want the glitter to fall in my eye or anything. So I'm gonna get the matte green shade, which is this one right here. It's called Stacks Army Green Matte Shade, and I'm just gonna apply that like on the edges so that it can look more even and on the crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with Long Money and apply it on the outer edge one more time. Okay, I really like how that looks. All right, so for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in the shade Time is Money or Ballin' Bay. Should I use Ballin' Bay? I think I do want to use Ballin' Bay. I'm gonna go in with the shade Ballin' Bay, which is this one right here, a metallic true gold with silver pearl. And my brush is a little wet. Oh, that's pretty. And a little on my brow bone too. It's a really pretty gold shade. That is so pretty. Right into the inner corner, I'm gonna use Time is Money, which is this really light metallic icy pink, and it has like a green flip apparently. So I'm just gonna apply it right in the inner corner right there. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Also on my brow bone. So I'm gonna wipe away this powder now. Definitely use powder if you are using these shades because they have fallout, or do your eyeshadow before the rest of your makeup. I'm gonna grab a little bit of that On a Budget again, and apply it here because it kind of faded away when I was applying the rest of the shades, just a little bit. Just make sure that the transition shade still shows up. Oh yes. By the way, the inside of the packaging is money, so I thought that was really cool, very creative. I love it. Okay, so moving on, before I do the lower lash line, I'm gonna apply the liquid liner. The packaging is super cute. So the packaging on the eyeliner has dollar signs and it's really cute as well. All right, so let's see how good this liner is. The inside of the liner box has dollar signs, which is really cute. So the liner, it says Kyliner and it's just regular black packaging. That is how the tip looks. Looks really thin. I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, it's really nice. It's not a felt tip, it's a brush tip. Whoa, you guys. I used one hand. Usually I have to use two hands to do a wing liner. Oh my god, that was so easy, and the liner dries down matte and it's really black and it just looks really smooth. It applied really good over the shadow. That is so good, you guys. It is really easy to do the wing because it's a brush tip, and I don't know, for some reason it just was so easy to do the wing liner. You guys saw it. All right, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and apply mascara and lashes, and also apply shadow on my lower lash line, and then we'll move on to the rest of the products. Alright guys, so the makeup is looking snatched so far. I love the eyeliner so far. I think it's definitely a really good liner. It's $18. I love the eyeliner. Love. As you guys can see, my wings are looking awesome. So I applied mascara, lashes. I did do the lower lash line with the matte shadows in the palette. So I used the shade Breaking Records, is the darkest shade in the palette, to apply really close to the lower lash line. And then I used the rest of the matte shades that I used on my crease on the lower lash line, and they all applied really good. So far, I really like the palette. I'm gonna apply the Jelly Kylighter. So the Jelly Kylighters are $22 and you get 14.5 grams. So this is the packaging on the Kylighters. It has a pink top, really cute. It kind of reminds me of the shimmer eyeglasses. The packaging on these have money bags inside the box, so that's really cute, and it's hot pink on the inside. That is the outside of the packaging. All right, so it comes with a little lid. You gotta be careful with it because it does fall out. So 22 Carats is a peachy champagne shade. So that's how it looks. It looks a little jellyish, not too jellyish, but it's pretty liquidy as well. Like, it does jiggle a little bit. It says infused with vitamin E, and it says that its micronized shimmers create a super reflective highlight. Apply directly onto bare skin for a dewy, healthy glow, or mix with foundation or tinted moisturizer for overall illumination. So Kylie says that she likes to wear these when she's not doing a full glam, and apply after her face moisturizer and her serum for a glowy, fresh look. I'm applying it with a full face of makeup, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm grabbing whatever was on the cap and put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna grab my beauty sponge and then just apply it with the beauty sponge. It's definitely more of a subtle highlight. It's not blinding or anything like that. That is how it looks on the back of my hand. Just blending it out on the back of my hand. This time I'm gonna tap it like right on top. It's definitely more subtle, so if you want it to be a little more blinding, you gotta apply like several layers. It's a little sticky too. Like, once it's drying down, it kind of feels sticky. I think people who have dry skin might like this. I do like this shade though. I mean, I don't know. It's not really blinding. It's kind of just giving me a glow. I don't really feel like it's too much of a highlighter. I do think that it would probably work well to mix it with moisturizer or your foundation. I might try it out like that, but this is how the Jelly Kylighter looks. so it's like all over my fingers, so it does get a little messy. Not a huge fan of that. Not sure if these are worth the $22, and they do come in a plastic container. To finish the look, I'm gonna apply the high gloss. So this is in the shade 1 in a Billion. So when I saw this high gloss, when she was showing it in her Instagram, it looks so pretty. That packaging has money bags inside as well. On the outside, it just says money and letters all over it. Green and hot pink, which is really cute. I like the packaging on this one a lot too. So the high gloss is $16. It's a sheer warm pink with gold pearl. It smells good. So this one comes with 3 grams. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, so that's the gloss. It is definitely sheer. In person, I can see the pink tint and the gold shimmer in it. The gold shimmer is very fine. So I'm gonna top off my lips with the gloss. Feels nice too. All right, so this is how the gloss looks, and I really like it. It's very glossy and shiny. I do like this gloss a lot. All right, guys, so this is the finished look, and I really love how my makeup looks. So this is the lip kit, which I'm not gonna apply it. I just wanna show you guys the packaging, which is really cute. So the inside of the packaging does have like the $100 inside. Really cute packaging. Packaging on the actual lipstick is green with green dollar signs, and it's metallic. So it's definitely different than the original Kylie matte lipstick. It definitely is like a limited edition packaging. I think she's gonna change the packaging later on. So this might be like the only chance to be able to get this packaging on this lip kit. Love this shade. So this is a lip liner, and it has green metallic lettering around the lip liner, and it's pink packaging. The lip liner for the other lip kit, the matte lip kit, is just her regular black packaging. I am really excited to be giving away this lip kit. All right, guys, so the rules to win this lip kit: you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, watch the whole video, and comment below what's your favorite makeup product. So that can be lipstick, blush, eyeshadow, eyebrows, whatever makeup product is your favorite. Comment below, let me know. Also, you have to be following me on Instagram and comment and like on my last 3 photos on Instagram, and that will enter you into the giveaway. I am gonna be choosing the winner randomly. So after I upload this video, I will announce the winner on my Instagram. So make sure you have an Instagram. Let me know your Instagram handle in the comment section below as well whenever you comment. I will put the rest of the rules in the description box below. This is not going to be an international giveaway because I don't really know what goes into an international giveaway, so this is just for the US only. So I'm sorry if you're not in the US, and also make sure if you're underage, you're allowed by a guardian to enter this giveaway as well. But yeah, make sure to read the rules in the description box. I will put them in the description box as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will announce the winner on my Instagram, and I will send you a DM if you win. I will announce it a week from when I upload this video. Good luck to everybody, and thank you so much again for watching and subscribing. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.